Good morning, good morning. This is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Today we're going to give you a quick training regarding start to finish, from Twitter to Stage, how to pull from YouTube, how to push it out to your social marketing accounts. So let's get started with the good stuff. Right now we're at my Twitter account, and as we said on a previous video, you want to make sure that your profile wording is set like an ad. And here it is right here. Explode your Twitter followers, real leads, traffic, and create instant content. Get your free account here, stage.com/HBN online. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let me show you that first, because if you want me to help you, I'll be glad to do it, but you need to activate your account through my account so I get notified so I can help you. So what I'm going to do right here is just click on this link, and it actually pulls up. And what you want to do, you can read everything right here, but it's just as easy. Click on the top right banner right up here, get your free account. And whether you start for free, zero cost, no credit card, you just you start building your Twitter accounts with that. You don't get the Stage portion of it with the free, but for a real low cost, $9 a month, you can start with the intro pack. You can build your Twitter accounts. You can start getting your stages all set up, your campaigns, your limits. And as you can see, the higher the package, the more premium features. So like on the premium account, which is what I have, it's $99 a month, $3 a day, 14 cents an hour, and I'm getting all the Twitter builder accounts. I can do up to 25. I've actually got 10. I'll show you that. Hands-free Twitter management. It's optional, highly recommended, especially for new people. I have access to my social inbox, data retention. I've got unlimited campaigns, 1,000 videos per month. And that comes out to about 33 a day, one every 45 minutes. That's all done like a automatic machine gun. And then we also have, access to these other things. So you can like I said, you can start for free. You can start at the intro, wherever you're comfortable with, and you can always upgrade to the package, the premium package, at a later time. So let's get back here to the good stuff. Let's go back to Stage. So this is my internal back office. I've got my dashboard. I've got Grow Audience. When I click on that, it shows social profiles. You can see I've got my 10 accounts. I got my LinkedIn account. When you go over here to Twitter Builder, you can build everything. You can see I've got it all integrates with all your Twitter accounts. I've got realtors, and I've got gold, and my main one, I've got 916, 907. These numbers are area codes. 907 Alaska, 808 Hawaii, 805 Ventura counties, Las Vegas, Oregon, Northern California. I've got accounts that are targeted just for social media. But you can see right there, for $5 a month, the company will actually build your Twitter account for you. That's 17 cents a day. Let me give you a little word of advice. Anytime you can automate it, or automate a process, or have it done for cheap, do it. Your time is so much more valuable than $5 a month. Have a system do it for you. And you can see right there, I can close this window. We can target users by niche, meaning, insurance, realtors, whatever. We can target by hashtags, duplicate a user's followers, follow your fans, many different options right here. And right here, manage Twitter account. You can go right down here, click on one button, purchase, manage account. It'll ask you your Twitter username, and they'll take it from there. So that's pretty simple. Let's go on here now to create content. We've got my campaigns, we got my stages, my bio, and image library. Let's start with the image library just so you can see it. Included with the Stage account is you can upload all your images and store them. So it's all included. A lot of companies pay a lot. You pay a lot extra for that service. but you can sort them by right side, main, top. I have mine right there where I can put my images and keep them organized a little bit. So let's start with campaigns. Well, actually, just start with stages so you can see the end result. So what we're doing right there, these are the stages. When you see this little icon right here at the top right, that is an automated system doing that. When you see a blank, that means I manually did it. I just did that this morning. TaxBot demo. I pushed it out right before I did that call. It's actually using the TaxBot master campaign. It's pulling it from the channel of YouTube called TaxBot, and I've already had 37 viewers or visitors back to that page. So let's just click on it so you can see what's going on. Here's the little editor. You can see I can pull down. Here's all my campaigns that I've got set up. A campaign is what's surrounding the video. Think of a newspaper. You got content, and surrounding the content is banner ads. So we'll show you that here in a little bit. But you can see it automatically pulled in the YouTube video URL, the title, the descriptions. Now I put these keywords in here because I know what people are searching on. I can click on auto post to social, so it'll do it automatically. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. I put in some hashtags: app, TaxBot, business, expense, tracker, Apple, Android, demo. And what's happening is a hashtag, if you don't know what that means, I can triple the amount of visitors just by putting in hashtags. It just puts a copy of the stage in all these folders on the internet. So you can see I've got all my groups set up there, and since it is a TaxBot video, I'm putting it in the stage group called TaxBot. So all we're going to do is hit update stage, and I can hit view my stage. And like I said, it's pulling this video from YouTube. It's surrounding the video, which is all these banners on the top, the right, the left side. And you can see I can pull in many other thumbnail videos that if people want to snoop, which they do, they can click on this and see, like this one right there. It'll automatically bring it to the top. So there's a lot of good education in here.
Thank you.
So shut this down real quick. You can see right here, number 1, TaxBot tip. Get free gas for your car. Number 2, make meals that make you money. Number 3, double your fun and entertainment deductions. Number 4, home office tax deduction. Number 5, free sample your way to success. So there's a lot of other great videos. You want to watch this TaxBot demo video because it does give you a good overview of the app designed for Apple and Android. And you can see I've got a theme here. Click here to order now. That orders the app. But I'll tell you a little secret. If you have an Apple phone or an Android phone, now I've got an Android, so I just go to the Google Play Store. But Apple people, you just go to the place you download apps on your phones and do a search for TaxBot. You could download it right now. It's free. But in order to use the system, you want to be able to watch these videos to learn how to do it. So step 1, go to your cell phone device, search for TaxBot, download it, and then come over here, watch these little videos, and then activate your account. And all you do is just come down here, click on Get Started, and it's going to have the main, and you get a 2-week free trial. It's no big deal. And this is the company page, of course. So that's all you do. So what we want to do now is go back and let me close a few things out here so we can go back. So we've kind of showed you what a stage is. That's what that little demo was. So we're back here to our Twitter, and that's pointing, everything on Twitter points to my stage. Anything I do on Traffic Monsoon, which is targeted or geo-targeted, points to my stage. So we're going to go back here now. We've shown you a little bit about my stages. And one final thing here, it says views. I can click on views and sort the database and see which which video, which stage is pulling in the most. And you can see right here, if your kid's identity was stolen tomorrow, who would you call? That's got 56,000 views. This one's got 126,000 views. So I know exactly. It's kind of fun to see when you have a stage bot generated video that pulls in 17,000 videos. I know something's going on with that. So I can click here very quickly, see what it is, and all of a sudden you can see these videos should not be a boring video. This should be a very wow video. This should be an educational, exciting entertainment. And this is a GoPro video. You can see it going down there, a wingsuit flying down the Swiss Alps. And you can see it's very visual. And people tweet that out like crazy. So, okay, let's get back and show you some of the stage. Okay, we did the stages right there. So now let's go back to the good stuff, the campaigns. So we have a traffic monsoon campaign. You can see it's had 373 stages built around it. So let's go kind of check the secrets of that one out. So you can see right here, this is the video placeholder. What we're looking at right now is the campaign. A campaign simply means what is surrounding the video. This is not what a customer sees. We're just setting up the campaign, the banners around it. You can see as I scroll down, it's all set up. This is actually the editor. The customers never see this, okay? But when it's done, the system will pull from YouTube, insert the YouTube video in this area, combine it with this campaign, which is surrounding the video, and then push it out to social markets. So you can see right here, let's start at the top, social targeting and automation. And you can see right there, I've got all my 10 Twitter accounts, I've got my LinkedIn, it's active for me. Right here I can do, the reason I have 15 there is because I'm sharing the 1,000 videos a month divided by 30, about 33 a day. But I've got other campaigns that are using part of that 33. So that's why the 15 is there. You can see I can adjust this right here. I just leave it running 24 hours a day. I click the target by channels. And for if you're brand new, I'll do this for you just so you can see it. We're going to go and add a channel. We're going to click it right here. Pay attention because you need to understand this little part. We're going to go to YouTube. And we're going to say, click on Hour of Code. So this could be any video on YouTube. It doesn't matter. But what I'm showing you is the concept. Click on the picture to open it up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Well, I'm just stop it so you can hear me. What you want to do is right below the title, it's always going to say a name. Like this is code.org. It could be any name. It's always going to be above the subscribe and below the title. So you click on that, and what that does is it takes you back to the channel of this account. And then what you do is you click on videos. So this is going to pull up the area that we need for stage. So this is the video subdirectory of the Hour of Code YouTube channel. So right here, video, see right here, video. So you just copy this like that. And this is going to copy all these videos in that channel. So what we're going to do is come back here, right click, paste basically. And then you can see right here, notice how the videos is 0 and the used is 0. So I'm going to click on this green check mark and watch what happens. Videos 234. That means it successfully integrated that YouTube channel. And you can see I've got other channels here like TYT University 3085. And as it's being used, or as the videos are being used, you can see it starts putting them in the use column, because once it uses it once, it doesn't use it again. So there's other ways to do this. You can sort them by category, but I like just doing by channel, where you can have a little bit better control. And when you hit the red X at the top, and you can see right here, I've got a bunch of channels. So it's giving a very good diversification. So we're going to click the red X, and then we're going to go back to campaign info. You can see I've got the title of the campaign, I've got the keywords that I put in, stage, social media, marketing, you know, whatever keywords you want to put. You can choose the background, and it has a total, I think there's about 50, there's quite a few, that you can go in there and change the background of the stage platform. So all you're going to do is click something, hit select, and it saves it. I use the fern on this one because it has a nice little background. Video autoplay, I like using that, so it automatically engages the customer. Show social icons, I have the auto sales page checked on. You can turn it off if you don't want to, and you hit save and close. But we also have something else here, widgets. Now this is very powerful, and you want to learn how to do this. Pay attention to the color-coded legend at the top. The blue area controls the main or the left side. The orange controls the right side. And as I scroll across, you're going to see red right there. That's the top banner. There's a call to action and a light box. So that's what's controlling that is right here. Like in this video, whenever this video plays, we have think of it as a commercial on a between TV programming. You can go up here, put in a title, put in content, put in the link, and you can say, I want this to show at the beginning. Custom means when do you want it to show, like 20 seconds in or 15 seconds or whatever. And I just have it set at end. So you can always preview it right here. So at the end of every one of my videos, do you need more website traffic? If your business website needs more online traffic, cash flow, click this banner to review a video overview. Free account, click top banner. Or they can say, no thanks, I just want to watch the video. But you got to remember, I have this set at the end, so the video is already ending anyway. So if they go ahead and click this, it just opens up a new window. And now they can set up a free account for geo-targeted leads to their website, any website. So this is very valuable. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, but I wanted to show you what that call to action is. And you can see at the top here, these banners are very simple. It just has a banner URL and a redirect. The banner URL is where the banner is actually located on the internet. And when a customer clicks that banner, where do you want to send them? Very simple. And like here, the blonde girl, I can click on the edit button. This is the banner location. This is where I want to send the customers to. So if you look at the concept, it's the same thing on every one. You simply come down here, change the banner, change the redirect URL, and you do that for every one of them, no matter if it's a big banner. It's the same concept. Banner, redirect, and you can see that one actually goes to PayPal. So this is a text banner area where you can put a little bit more text and some click here to order, things like that. And at the very bottom, we've got Stage Twitter Builder in action, and we've got all the training videos. This YouTube, the bottom one right here, that goes directly to my YouTube channel where you can see all my recordings. And I always throw in a little free gift, 53 fat-burning smoothies and milkshakes. Well, you can see on that one, it goes directly, there's the banner, and then this one actually is the pointer page to the PDF. So many customers come into my account, they snoop around, and they pick up whatever they want. And especially the tax bot there is very valuable, because how many people do taxes? How many people want to be a little bit more organized? It's an app for your Apple phone or your Android, and you get a 2-week free trial. So you can see why I get so many orders there. So that's the little inside secrets of the campaign manager, and you can see how I have, of the 33 a day, I've got 15 going to this campaign. I've got 9 going to TaxBot. I've got different, I'm splitting it up. The traffic is what I'm doing. And you can always adjust this. And you can see right here, I was given a share code. So if you work with me, you can go in here, click that, and I'll give you the share codes, and you can pull my accounts right over to your account. 95% of the work is done. Everything I showed you will automatically pull across. And you can see right there, there's a little My Bio with all the information that you need. We've gone over the stages. It shows you the results of everything working. Here's the automated system, the icon. When you see a blank, that means I did it personally. And you can go down here and you can see what's happened overnight. And I showed you the views and how you can sort the database and the campaigns. And you have also right up here, Stage It. You've got the affiliate system that gives you all the details. You've got a help menu, all the knowledge base, all the help on everything. And the one thing to remember, that this is creating websites, stage websites. And every one of these, I'll just click on it just so I don't even know which one this is. But you got to remember, it is a website surrounded by a campaign, and it's pulling in video content. Well, I've got,
we're so happy to have you guys with us today.
Tens of thousands of these. If you went to an ISP and said, I've got tens of thousands of video-driven content, they're going to charge you a lot. So the one thing to remember is Stage, all the bandwidth and everything is included in your system. So when you come back here and you say, I'm going to go to a stage, and I click right there, and I click here, and all you do is any one of my stages, click on the blonde girl, the nose, and it ends up.
We're so
right
happy to have you guys
here.
with us today.
And this, I'm just going to leave with this little
really
training video.
Feels totally comfortable
and
and
I've got to
familiar
close
with the new
a
Get
few
Response
windows.
web forms.
Hang on a second.
So we're going to make sure, of course, today to go through the List Builder Wizard, so you can check out the editor, all the options.
Right there. So I'm going to leave this video by just playing this video right here, and you'll be able to see it. It's just a quick 2-minute overview of what Stage does, and kind of goes over what I've just told you. I've showed you some of the background secrets. So anyway, this has been David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Hope you had a great day. And enjoy the video.
Right now, as you're watching this video, thousands of people are tirelessly working to sell your product or service. They're creating and uploading viral videos you can use to drive a massive audience to your website. Audience that sees only your ads, your company, your products, and no one else's. It doesn't matter what industry you're in or what product or service you're selling. Stage turns your YouTube watching from just an enjoyable pastime into a traffic-driving moneymaker. You're not going to believe how simple it is. YouTube is the 3rd most visited site in the world. Every minute, 100 hours of videos uploaded to the site. Now, what if instead of randomly sharing viral videos, you could zero in on your target market? Then, with almost no effort, drive prospects to watch those videos on an automatically created web page that shows only your content or ads. That's Staged. No paying for followers, no per-click charges, just massive, consistent traffic driven by video content you find online. And not just any content, viral videos that people will love to share with others. It's like having an army of marketing professionals working for you. YouTube and other video sharing sites tell you which videos are the most popular. Pick one that you think your social media followers will like. For each video you leverage, a new stage is automatically created from your choice of one of our free templates. Or you can create one uniquely branded to your company or product offer. And each stage takes only seconds to deploy. Stages are very attractive one-page websites that feature only your ads, your content, and your branding. Stage sends out a link with your personal message to a highly targeted audience on Twitter, Facebook, and other top social media automatically. You can launch several dozen stages each day, giving you up to 1,000 traffic pulling pages each month. And when you share viral videos that are viewed on your personal stage, your friends and followers share, then their friends share. But all they see is your video and your ads. This builds brand awareness, generating real-time engagement and getting more targeted eyes on your company. Your video plays, but that's just the beginning. You can have a call to action play in the middle of the video. After, when the main video ends, your stage seamlessly transitions to your auto sales page, a company teaser video that prompts your prospect to leave their details and join your marketing database. Your personal stage assistant will share with your social media friends the stages you create even while you sleep. Twitter Builder uses keywords to find people in your niche. Then, with just your mouse, you can rack up more than 100 followers in a minute. Plus, the one-click Stage It button, our full stats dashboard, lead capture forms, unlimited customer support and marketing resources, video tutorials, and more. Staged is perfect for businesses of any size, from large organizations with hundreds of sales reps down to one-person operations. Just choose the level you need and start reaping huge profits. Staged.